Hardware manufacturer OWC has finally announced the availability of its new and highly anticipated ThunderBlade external storage systems, which offer capacities from 1 TB up to 8 TB, priced at $1,199.99 to $4,999 respectively. ThunderBlade is being marketed as the fastest external drive available, offering transfer speeds up to 2800 MB/s read and 2450 MB/s write, making it the preeminent production solution for professionals, says OWC. Larry O'Connor, founder and CEO of OWC, explains a little more. "We at OWC can't thank our customers enough for allowing us to do what we love so much every day. We strive to build products that will go further and deliver a better return on our customers' technology investments." The ThunderBlade is one more example of a solution that will allow our customers to work more effectively, a product that can literally change the way they create. Everyone at OWC is excited by the boundless opportunities the next 30 years will bring for our customers. Combined with Softrade's cross-platform technology, the ThunderBlade, the fastest Thunderbolt 3, seamlessly supports both Windows and Mac OS operating systems, allowing multi-platform workflows. Dave Helmley, Senior Manager, Professional Video/Audio for Adobe Systems, explains more about the ThunderBlade. "Whether you're working on a 4K, 5K, or 8K production, or diving into huge immersive VR environments, loading large complex projects just got easier with the new ThunderBlade from OWC.